Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-29, the water pump driven gear for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-29, the water pump driven gear. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Okay, so let's go to right plane, Sketch. I'm going to do 2 circles. Now I'm going to do teeth differently this time, in a different technique. Let's do 2 circles first. It's going to be smart dimension. It's going to be 75.5. 75.5, and it's going to be 69.5, 69.5. Actually, that will be a center line. Oh, exit. Yeah, that's done. Click on that one. Construction line, sorry. The construction line. Then it's going to be in the middle. It's going to be another hole, another circle. Put that hole in there. This is going to be actually 3 parts. Plus is 1 part in the diagram, but you got the gear, you got shaft, and you got pin. So that middle one will be 16. 16. Beautiful. Let me bring this. There we go. And then that's going to be extruded out to, what's the thickness of it? 8 mil. So feature extrude 8 mil, mid plane, and done. And that's going to be changed to the steel appearance, metal, thank you, steel, thank you, rust. There we go, perfect. Now if we go to center point, normal 2, sorry. Sketch. Then if we go, let me just move my little diagram back. There we go. Okay, so we've got, actually that center line I can't see, so I've got to put in this one, which is no problems. Let's put that in again. That was, how much was it again? Let me double check. I can't remember what it was. 69.9. 69.9. That's going to be a construction line. Construction, thank you. There we go. Now let's just do another center line from that one to there. That should be horizontal. Oh, sorry, vertical. Beautiful. Which it is. Vertical. There we go. Done. Yep, perfect. Okay, so we now want to go up. That should not move, although I think that part will. So that point in this line, let's make that connection. There we go. Now we want teeth out. So what we're going to do what did similar last time. Let me do a 3-point circle. This point there. That's going to be this point. This point and this point will be horizontal. That way, move one, it stays the same each way. Otherwise, move one this way, it may move that way. That way, it's equal distance always. Let's see the measurement, and that was 1.8. So from there to there will be 1.8. Zoom in a bit, and that's going to be, that line should be a construction line. Perfect, thank you. Now, this point and this point will be joined. Oh, I can't do that. Interesting. Nope, I can't. Okay. This point and this line will be joined. That's the same thing. Now let's do a line, this line. So look at these. So yeah, so start from here, go down, join there. Gonna be curved there. So let me just put one there and put there. Exit out of that. I want to delete that one. It's easier to delete there than there, so that's why I did that. Now we want this point. Oop, wrong way. Go to zoom out. Thank you. And you got that far. Oop. Oh, yeah, thank you. Zoom in, zoom in. There we go. Go back to the 3-point arc, 7-point arc, sorry. Not 3 points, 7-point arc there. We want there. There. Do another one from there. I'm going to do one there, one there. Kept on locking in. I didn't want that locked in. So this point and this point will be joined. Now that is 3.5. Let me measure that first. Actually, I can do this actually. Let me join these together. There we go. That's going to be 3.5. So this point here, always do the point. Don't do that, otherwise you're doing the radius. Point to point, but we want that not up and down. We want the angle like that. That was what I said it was. 3.5. 3.5. Beautiful. Now let me join these two together and these two together. There we go. And that's now do another construction line. Sorry, 7-point arc. From there to there to there. That's going to be construction line. Thank you. This point and this point will be horizontal. This point and this point will be joined. There we go. Let me see if I can just move that one. There we go. Just so we not grab the wrong one. Now this point here and this point here will be, what was that again? 3. Make sure it's straight down. It's just going to go straight down regardless. So 3. There we go. And then this point here and this point here will be, make sure it's on the angle, not straight down angle, because there is a difference. 1.9. And that's actually locked in. Actually, that's what we need. I could have done that halfway. I could have done point then like 1.5, then 0.9. I wouldn't do that way. Just the measurements on there. So we've got 3.5. Yeah, the measurement. Thank you. Let me just move you across. Actually, that'll do. Oh, let me just bring that one across. There we go. So we've got 3.5, 1.8, 1.93. So that's good. Okay, so now we've got that. We can now do linear sketch pattern, but we've got circular. Now we just need to do this line, this line, this line, and this line. We don't need the construction lines. And that's going to be, how many was it? 42, 45, 45. Let me just double check, go back to piece I'm working on. 45, correct. 45. And that looks good. It's on the 7 point already. And okay. Look at that. There we go. Feature, extrude cut, through all, and done. Man, that's a lot quicker building that way than what I've done the last two. So, I'm good at, I watched a couple of videos after I'd done that one, make sure I was doing things right. And I saw one do it this way. That actually makes it a lot easier, a lot less hassle. I didn't have that, remember that pit was off and that, so that definitely makes it easier. Okay, that is the cog part done. Now let's go to File, new MMGS. We're going to go to right plane, circle, click on that one. That's going to be 16, extrude, and that's going to be 54 plus 8. So 54 plus 8, 62. Oh. 54 plus 8, 62, correct. That's going to be mid-plane, okay. That's going to be, oh, no. Actually, I'm going to leave it as is. You guys realise, actually, no, I'm going to change it. No, I'm going to skip it. It's actually 16 and also 19. That's 62, that's 62, yeah, 62, 54, yeah. So that's what. So what we're doing here, so we just transfer that across, there we go. So now, on this one, we can do sketch, circle. That's going to be 19. That's going to be extrude, 54, but the other way, and done. So, well, would have done if I that's close. I would have realised. I would extrude 8 mil, then I would extrude 54. But either way, it still works out the same. Now we want to go to top plane, normal, sketch, and we want a circle of 5 mil. So go smart dimension, 5 mil, and that's going to be 10 mil. So from center point to the L edge there will be 10. Now you notice it's not locked, it's undefined, so we need that point and this one here. That's one reason why you do, let's do it horizontal, now it's defined. That's one reason why it's good to do center point, like center. That does help. So now we got, oh, come on, rotate, thank you. And we're halfway in that, so that's fine. Let's go to, oh, not you, sorry. Extrude cut, through all, second direction, thank you, through all, and done. And that is now that piece done. Let me zoom in, thank you. Oh, not quite that big, thank you. Back a bit, there you go. And call that 629 water pump driven gear shaft. Oh, shaft, I've called the other one gear dash gear because it's gear part. Now we've got one more, we need a pin there. So let's go to file, new, part MMGS. It's going to be top plane, sketch, circle. That's going to be 5 mil. Smart dimension, 5 mil. Beach extrude, that's going to be 43. Mid plane. Okay. Let's do that one there, thank you. There we go. And change that to brush, beautiful, and save. That's going to be 6-29. I'll call pin. There we go. All right, so go file, new, assembly MMGS. Let me put that little pin mark there so it doesn't disappear. We want the gear right there, that one there, the pin and the shaft there. Now we're going to pin that and okay. All right, so now we go mate, the outside cylinder, inside cylinder. The, actually, let me go that edge to that edge. We still should line up perfectly there. It does, beautiful. Just want to make sure. Now we want this outside cylinder for the pin to outside cylinder there. Now we want to go, let me just okay that for the moment. Let's go to side view. And that's going to be mate. Click on that one, the, what's it called? Distance. 21.5. Going to be, I get the point? Nope. Hold on. It's got to be. Okay. Maybe I can get. Oh, cancel mate. Go away. Thank you. So 19 divided by 2, which is 9.5, plus 21.5. 31. Because from end there to the lower part there is 21.5. This is half 19, so I'm going to try to do it from the center point there. So if we go that line, do I have some center point there? No, I don't. Interesting. Oh, I'll put that one there. Yeah, it doesn't. Can't select that one. Yeah, that one. Let me go to front plane. Sketch. We're going to put construction line in. That's going to go from there to there. Exit out of that one. Go mate. Go back to this one, but 21.5. So we want that line and clear selection. Point, thank you. Does that work? Please select entity to make. Oh, I didn't grab it. Okay, hold on. Let's get back out of that one. Let's go back into this one. Let's do another center line from there and there. So those two should be parallel, horizontal, parallel as well. Let's just make these two vertical. There we go. And then let's go to exit sketch, mate, 21.5, there to there. Why let me do that? Why let me do that? Oh, it's the same sketch. That's what it is. Hold on. I think that's what it is. Because it's the same sketch, I can't. Let me delete that one. Yeah, it's the same sketches too. So that's probably why it let me. Okay, so let's do. What after? Oh, yep. Front plane. Mine went blank that sec. Sorry about that. So let's do this one to there, exit out, mate, 21.5, that still won't let me, that's weird. I was doing sketch, get a sketch. Point, that's better. Point. No, why don't let me do the point? Interesting. Interesting. Ooh. Okay, let me delete that sketch. Just press delete, deletes it. Yes. And yes. Actually, there might be another way I can do it. Let me go to front plane, sketch. Let me do a line from there to there to there. Do that one horizontal. Do measurement 21.5. Oh, it's driven. Interesting. .5. Okay, that's good. We go that one. This should be able to move, shouldn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay, so if I put this one and this one as, nope, that won't work. Mate. Perpendicular, that's what I was looking for the other day. Let me go back in this one, sketch, center point, click on that one to that one. Now if I do, nope. Interesting. Okay, let me do something else. Let me go back in this one. Got an easy way to do this, let me know. So if we do that there, measurement, and that should be 10. Oh no, hold on. Ten minus bracket 5 divided 2, which is 2.5. There we go, 7.5. Sorry, the throat's getting dry. Okay, let's X out that one. If we just line up there. Hold on. Yeah, I wasn't actually oh. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. I just realised that's not level yet, so I need to lock that in. So let me go mate, this plane, to, we scroll down here, we want, not that, sorry. Nope, not front, top. There we go. Okay, so now it's flat there. Oh, no, hold on. No. No, not seeing it, sorry. Parallel is what I want. Parallel. Oh, the base is that one now. Thank you. And that one, there we go. There we go. Yeah, that completely. Let's go back to front plane. That's better. I think I shouldn't be able to see the circle part. So if I put that in this line to press mate. Yeah, I don't know what actually made it, but it made something. Yeah, it scares that. Okay, I'm just going to do it by eye. That's good. Just going to leave the eye for now, so we go to that one, bring that around, bring it there. Look how far away it is too. That should be on that plane. That's probably what's going wrong. Okay, no worries. Let's just hide that one. So let's just save that first. Let's see, 6-29. Take that down. There we go. That's part 6-29, the water pump driven gear done for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. So we've got a little bit of hiccup there, but it's a minor thing, but we need to work out how to do that. I've got to try to look it up and that. So thank you again for coming along. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click the like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate it. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep building.